Hey, the magicplan app has a new feature, 360 images faster and easier than ever with 360 Link. Let's go! Let's see how it works! Link is a new magicplan feature that allows you to connect 360 degrees cameras from different manufacturers directly to the app. It enables you to create accurate room views, and it also works seamlessly inside magicplan, so you don't need to use any other app or any other program. You can do everything within magicplan. It doesn't matter if you do restorations, claims, DIYs, projects. It works for every case, and I'm gonna show you how it works right now. So I'm just grabbing the Ricoh camera in front of me. I'm going to open a project. Here you can see that I already created my floor plan, but you could also start from zero with a new empty project and start from the photo section. You would tap on the plus camera. I will also turn on my 360 degrees camera. It needs some seconds to be active. You can see here from my screen that it's turning on. In the meantime, just an important note, here you can see that you can decide where you would like to attach your 360-degree panorama to. You can select different levels. It can be attached to the project, to the floor, or to the room level. Now my camera is active. So in this case, I'm selecting the project level. I select 360 link from the bottom, and here you see no camera found, so I select connect camera, of course. Here you will see some info if you never used a 360 degrees camera before, how to connect it to your device. So you have a code down here. We tap on next, and we're gonna insert it inside the magicplan app. Okay, it's correct. I connect the camera. Here you will see this little disclaimer because each 360 degrees camera has like its own Wi-Fi network. So simply say join, give it some seconds. Here we go. And we can start using Theta X. Now, you can position your camera on a stative or just on the table. You don't need to keep it in your hand as you prefer. And you simply tap on the white dot to take the picture. Pay attention because you will hear a noise. I position it here. Okay, so you probably heard the noise from my microphone and you see that the picture has been saved. Now, I'm gonna change the level. So I'm going to attach the next 360 panorama to the basement. I select the basement as a floor level. I just position the camera somewhere else. I tap on the white dot. Okay, the noise has been done and the photo has been taken, and I will do one more. So we select here, and in this case I would like to attach the 360 degrees panorama to a specific room. So I will go in the ground floor and maybe select the bedroom, and I take the photo. Okay, now I have my three panoramas. I can position my camera back there and I tap on next. You see that the three photos have been saved. Now, if I'm happy like this, I can just tap on play and take a look around to see if I like it like this. You see that you have all the details of your room. I just close it. But if you would like to add some annotations or text, you can also do it inside magicplan. You see here from the bottom, you would select markup. And you can, for example, add an annotation. You could hide or you can indicate what's important. For example, if you have some data or, for example, like in my case, you have faces that you don't want to show inside of your picture, you can also select reduct and hide the sensitive data that you do not want to show. We tap on done. We're done here. I select the next photo. Here, I would like to add a caption. So I can write test 1, 2, 3. Here at the bottom, you have the toggle to let the keyboard disappear, and we simply close it so you will see perfect. The caption has been saved. If I tap on markup, I can also select arrow from the bottom. You can select the color that you prefer, and you can add an arrow directly to your photo. You can also move it to indicate something important, so you don't have to draw it manually. And we could also do here reduct if you want to add something, and we tap on done. And last but not least, I would like to add something also to my third 360 degrees panorama. I select markup, and here I would like to add a text. You can also select a different color if you prefer. I simply tap on my photo and I, let's say, drag and drop it, and you will see that a rectangle will appear. So here you have the keyboard appearing automatically. Then you can write test 360. Now I let my keyboard disappear from the bottom. And as I did for the other photos, I can also select reduct and hide my face. I tap on done. Okay, as you can see, I have my panoramas. And little additional note, here you see at the bottom at what level you attached each single photo. You see here, right? So if you would like to change the level, you simply select here bedroom ground floor, for example, and you could say, I would like to attach this photo to a different level, so to the ground floor. Okay, and we save all. Okay, our photos are here. Now we would like to export our panoramas. By the way, you can see the difference from a regular photo from the corner that you see this little sign. So it indicates that this photo is a 360 degrees panorama. We tap on see all. You can see them here, and we tap on the export toggle. We will first export a web gallery. We can call it test 1. And we tap on done and publish to the web. Give it some seconds to load. Okay, now you can see here that we have our pictures. We can tap on the first one to take a look. You see the play toggle. You will tap on it and you can see your room, right? Now, I'm watching this on my tablet. If you're gonna open the 360 panorama on a bigger screen on your computer, it will be wider and every detail will be visible. Now, I will close it. I will go back here and I just go back into the photo section, see all, export. In this case, we will do a PDF. We can call it test 2. We tap on done, generate PDF. As usual, give it some seconds. Okay, PDF exported, and you can see here that you also have the play toggle, which means that these images are interactive. So if you're sharing the web gallery, the PDF with a colleague, with a client, they will also be able to see your 360 degrees picture. We can also take a look here. We tap on the first one and you see that as we did for the other one, we have the play toggle and we can see the 360 degrees picture. Okay, now I just go back here. Last but not least, if you want, you can also export a regular report PDF, which includes all the details of your floor plan. So you would tap here on the export toggle, report PDF, and you will see that the pictures will also be visible there on those levels where you decided to attach them. Here you see the first one that we had at the project level, and then we will have also the other two here attached. And then we have the last one. Let me see. Here it was. Okay, let's go back. There it is. So everyone can see the details of your project. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Take a look at this feature, play around with it. Let us know if you have any feedback. You're more than welcome. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye.